Hi guys. In previous video we have seen about bitwise operators, right? In this video I'm going to tell about membership and identity operators in Python. So what is a membership operator and why we will use this operator and how we will use I will tell in this video. Firstly, I want to tell something that is I have taken one list that is I'm taking this list and I'm giving some values that is having some and some float value. Some float. Hello. Now I want to check that if this list contains 7 or not. For that when we want to check that thing, we have to use some for loop and we have to check each and every member by using that for loop and all, right. In Python, we don't want to check every member by using for loop and all. For that, we have some operator that is membership operator that is in and not in. We have two operators in this membership operators that is in and not in. So if you want to check this whether we have 7 in this list or not, it is simple. That is a print of 7 in list. So it's going to check that is 7 present in this list or not. If we have 7, that is we have we it contains 7, right? So we will get true as an output. Now I will check that print of 4 in list. We don't have 4 value in this list, right? So we will get false as an output, right? Uh, Now suppose we when we check this we 8 not in list. It's also true only, right? We don't have 8 value in this list. So we will get true as an output, right? In this way, when we check this, we can either check alphabets or characters or value or floating value. Whatever the value we want, we have to check. We can check that one that value by using this membership operators, right? We can check in suppose we when we take one string like I'm taking string is equal to my name Spandana. In this also I can check that one that is print of. I want to check one character in this string. I will check S. Because it is an character, we are going to keep this in double quotes or single quotes. In what is the variable name string, right? So we have S in this string. So we will get true as an output. Suppose when I take small s in string, here we will get false as an output because we gave capital S, right. When we check small s, it won't take because Python it's an case sensitive. When we check small s, we will get false as an output. So I will explain this one in practically that is in our IDE. I am taking one more file that is membership.py. So first I will take one string is equal to Pandana print of s in string. Right? See, we got true as an output. I will take capital S. See, here we got false as an output because we here we took small s, right? Because it is a case sensitive, we will get false. Now I will take one more thing that is print e, not in str string. It's also true because the character e is not present in the string, so we got true as an output. Here I will take C. E in string. We got false as an output because we don't contain but E character, right? So next I will take one list that is n is equal to some values that is 5 comma 3 comma 9.6. I took this one, right? Now I will check one value that is present in this list. 5 in list that is n. So we got true as an output because we have 5 in this list, right? And also we will check character also or float value. In this way we can check any of the character or value or any alphabet or anything float value. So we can check by using this membership operator. Tell you about identity operators. That is, some of us are going to think that now identity operators and is equal to operators are same. But I will tell you difference between these identity operators and this is equal to operators. Now, if I take some variable that is a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 7, right? When we take this is equal to operator, that is a is equal to b, it's going to check these values. That is here a 7, b also 7. We we will get true as an output, right, for this operation. But when we use these identity operators, that is we have identity operators those are is is and is not, right? So I'm going to take that a is b. So when we take this identity operator, it's going to check these values. First these values a 7, b also 7. It's true only. But when we take this identity operator, it's also going to check ID, ID of this variable. That is, for this A, we are getting some memory location, right? For this, we are going to get some 1000 memory location. For B also, we are going to get some memory location. In other programming languages, it's going to take this like this, right? Some other memory location 2000, right? But in Python, when we have same values and data type, here we have integer data type, here also we have integer data type and same value. Now it's not going to take some other ID and not going to give some other ID. It's also going to take same ID A and B, and also, right, it's going to store this value in this location, and we are going to get same what ID for this both these values, because we have same values and same data type. So this is the main one of the best thing in this Python take memory management for same value. If we have same value or data type, it's going to take same data type, right? So when I print of A is B. See here, I have some same value and same data type. So it's going to take same number ID, right? So we will get output as true. If I take this 7 as a character and store this in B. So now it's not going to take same ID and store both the values in the same ID. Now it's going to take another ID, and it's going to store in another ID. So when we take this A is B, it's going to check the value both 7 only. But here we have integer value and here we have character, that is string values, right? So we will get false as an output, right? In this way, it's going to perform identity operators. Now I will show you practically identity dot. I will take one value, that is A is equal to 7, B is equal. I will print line. Print of A is B. See, true. Because both the values are same. Now I will change this one into character. See, here we got false. If I took A is not B, here we will get true, because A is not equal to B, right? Since it is character and it is an integer value, we will get true, right? Or else if we take some other value, obviously if we take other value, it's going to get some other IDs, right? For so it's going to get false as an output. That's all about identity operator. Thank you.